Good day dear soulmates, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to cut and prep your waistband before attaching it to your trouser. The material you'll be needing for this tutorial is a collar stay. I've cut out my collar stay and this measures 1.5 inches and the length is my client's waist measurement plus 7 inches. The width of the collar stay is 1.5 inches and the length, I think I have more here because my client waist measurement is 31.5 and I have more than 40 here. So I went ahead to cut out a long rectangular piece that measures 5 inches by the same length the collar stay has, that is your waist measurement or your client waist measurement, and you had 7 to 8 inches. It's better to have excess than not having enough for the waistband. So I'm going to take this to the iron table and show you how to prep this before attaching to the waistline of your pants. The first thing I did here, I ironed my fabric on the wrong side. I'm going to flip it over to the other side and do the same as well. After you are done ironing, the next thing you are going to do is you are going to place the gum part of the collar stay on the wrong side of the fabric. Make sure you are leaving half an inch seam allowance from the edge of the fabric, half an inch seam allowance, and make sure you give it a nice press. Use steam if necessary. If you have a steam iron, please use it. If you don't, make sure you iron in such a way that the collar stay is glued to the fabric like its second skin. After you are done ironing the collar stay to the fabric, the next thing you are going to, that half inches that you left from the edge of the paper, you are going to fold it over on the paper stay, collar stay like this, and you give it a nice press. You roll it over on it like this and you give it a nice press. Make sure you use your clapper to smoothen the fabric into the stay. Once you are done, the next thing you are going to fold it over like this, like the way I just did, and you pull in such a way that there is no excess at the top when you iron. Make sure that when you iron, you put the fabric under gently like so, so I don't have any excess, any fabric at the top as you fold. The next thing you are going to fold the excess fabric on the band like this, and you iron it. Make sure you give it a nice press. Use steam as well, and also use a clapper. Like seriously, it will make your life a whole lot easier. It will smoothen the fabric against the band, and your grease line will be very much visible. When I said grease line, I mean your folding line, the line you folded. When you fold the fabric, you have a grease line, that is a line that is showing from the fold. So that's the work of the clapper here. Once you are done with this, the last step is to flip the folded fabric under the band like so, and this is what you have. You have like an 1/8 inch extension. When you do that, you can see it now. This is what you should have. You saw the extension, you can see it. When you flip the folded part under the band like so. You're also going to give it a nice press. When working on a male outfit or pants, it needs a lot of patience, love, and ironing skill. Like every other skill, your measurement taking skill, your pattern drafting skill, your sewing skill, ironing is also a skill that you develop for practice. So please make sure you iron. It is very vital when it comes to garment production. I repeat, develop your ironing skill. Make sure you have a lot of patience when making a client's dress, because you don't know where that outfit or dress will travel to. That is just a tip for today's video. After you are done with the whole process, this is what you should have at the end of the day. You can see how nice and beautiful it came out, and this is how you will now attach it to the waistline of your pants or the trouser you are working on. Have a nice day and give this video a thumb up. Please like and share my video, and you can also tag a soulmate or share to a soulmate. Feel free. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so that when I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Bye.